it's Ornament 24 in our Craftmas series. If you missed any of the previous ornaments, check out the description down below. I have a link to the playlist there that you will find all 24 fun Christmas ornaments for you. I hope you enjoyed doing this with me today, this last month. And I hope that you'll enjoy making this one with me today. Let's jump into that tutorial. So what do you guys think? Did you enjoy making this adorable little bell ornament? I hope that you guys have a wonderful, very Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the new year. Bye for now.